Hey guys, welcome back to the channel One to Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave Viber group in few seconds. So for that, you just have to go to Viber app in your mobile. If you don't have Viber app, then just go to Play Store and download it. But if you are using iOS, then go to App Store and download it from there. So now I'm going to Viber app. So click on this. So here is the group chat which I am involved. So just click on this and you can also swipe here, or you can go to this 3 button which is in the top right corner and chat info. So now scroll. So now in the last you can see leave and delete. You can just click on this and you are already gone from this group chat. So in this way, you can just leave group chat in your mobile in Viber. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.